everyone, welcome back to Jamila's Style. Today's video we're going to be making beef stew. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to make beef stew. We need beef, I have some chili, I have onions, I have bell pepper, I have garlic, I have carrots, I have coriander, I have tomatoes, and for the spices I have Aromat, I have Maggi, I have beef masala, I have salt, I have Royco, and a mixture of different spices. So when I'm making my beef stew, first I boil it, and I'm going to add in some coriander to boil together. I'm also putting in some Maggi, some garlic, and some onions. And lastly, I add in salt. And then I'm going to let this boil for around 20 minutes until the meat gets soft, basically. So my meat is ready. It's done cooking, and I'm going to start making the stew. So first I'm going to fry the meat. So I've deep fried my meat until it dries, like kind of. And then the next step is adding in my onions. And garlic. So the next part, I'm going to add in my carrots, bell pepper, and chili. I also add in some asparagus. And then I'm going to put in my spices. So this is beef masala, mixed spices, Aromat, and Royco. So this is the water I used to boil. I boiled my meat in this water, and this is what I use for my stew. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna add in here so our stew is ready. So I'm just putting a little bit of coriander for the finish up, and we are ready to eat. So here is our finished product. Here is the beef stew. I'm serving my beef stew with matooke, rice, and sweet potatoes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.